It's getting like more and more too.
It must be the right time now.
Now it's New Year's Eve.
It's midnight now. You're right.
4 minutes later.
Peter, you got 12?
Oh yeah, that's 12.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Dude, that is amazing. That is so. Look at
Oh my god.
Did you get pictures?
I'm getting them.
It's like a stadium.
It's cool.
Happy New Year! Oh my god, it's going nuts. Look at this.
Oh, look at over there. Look at over there.
This is so cool.
Everybody has one.
There's like 10,000 people setting off fireworks
Are
right
you
now.
videotaping this? Or?
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh. That's not funny, Adam.
A picture of us.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Mine actually is really good. They're sad at that.
Is that the police? I hear the sirens. Or the fire department.
How cool. Wait, they're all lights up there.
What'd you do? Watch fireworks over the mountains.
This alone makes it worth it.
Absolutely.